Hi guys, I am Shreya. Welcome back to the QuirkyDIYer. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I turned this salwar pant into a really trendy top, and also I have a bonus DIY for you guys. So first of all, take a top which is according to your size. Use it as a reference. Taking one side of the pant, I am measuring how long I want my top to be, and then I'll cut it. Harem pants or salwar are made of a lot of fabric, so I thought I could do a bonus DIY for you guys. So this is how long I measured my top out, but I think I'm gonna crop it a little. Also, you should have two pieces of fabric, so this one is for the straps, and then I would recommend you to iron it. We will get started with the straps. So first of all, you'll need two matching sides, and this is how long I've measured mine. Then we will stitch one of the sides after folding it, and this is how it should look. And we will get this done on the other strap as well. By pulling the thread out, you can actually get the ruffle effect. I am using a chopstick to actually take the strap inside out. Just fold over a little bit of fabric and then just push it till you have something like this, and do the same for both the straps. Then we will get back onto the top portion, so we will hem both the sides of the top, and this is how the top looks after I've ironed it, and ironing makes the whole process a lot easier. I am an extra small, so you can take the measurements according to your size. So I don't claim to know a lot about stitching, but I do know a lot about designing, and if I can make this top, you guys can definitely make it, because I have seriously no clue how to stitch. But I'm using this mini sewing machine to actually hem both the sides. In the end of the video, I will show you how to style this top in two different ways. After the hem, the top should look something like this. So I've given only one stitch on both the sides, and now I will measure where I want my straps to be. To secure the straps, I am using needles to attach all four ends with the top, so it should look something like this. After stitching all the straps, I will be done with this top. And there we have it, guys. My top is finally done, and it is really secure, and I'm really happy with how this turned out. You guys can see how it looks while I'm wearing it. In the beginning of the video, I had promised you guys that I will show you a bonus DIY, and this is a really easy no sew scrunchie that I decided to make with the leftover fabric. And this is a really sustainable way to actually not let the fabric go to waste, and this way you will have your own scrunchie with all the top that you make. So we already have the fabric, we just need fabric glue, a bottle, and a rubber band to get started. I have ironed the piece of fabric that we stuck, and now I will put it in the bottle, and like so I will secure it using the rubber band. So this rubber band will act as the elastic inside the scrunchie. The sides which I had ironed are actually creating space for me to stick, and I'm just rolling out the scrunchie, and then using fabric glue I will stick these sides together. So ironing actually helps to stick the whole scrunchie better. It will take a little bit of time to dry, so it might take a day or so. Process is really easy. Making a scrunchie using the sewing technique is really difficult. You will have your own scrunchie within a day. I will repeat the whole process throughout the scrunchie till I reach the ends. Using a clip, I will make sure that everything is nicely secured, and I will let it dry. And we have our no sew scrunchie, guys. fluff it to make sure that there are no open edges. So this is how it looks in my hair. Look 1 is laid back, casual yet chic. For this look, I'm wearing glasses, half updo, minimalistic circular earrings, white floral shoes, and to match the floral pattern, I've paired it with my clutch, and the top is freely flowing. Look 2 is more crisp and proper, perfect for a night out. I've used scrunchie as an hand accessory, black boots, my favorite watch, and a crossbody bag. To complete the look, I have tucked in the shirt nicely. I hope you guys would have enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!